Hello friends, welcome to Explore YouTube channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be going to learn about how to use dollar reference because to become expert in using formulas, depending on the requirement, we must understand how to use dollar reference in relative, absolute, mixed as well as absolute and mixed. So let's start our video from here on because we are going to learn it very fast and everybody would be able to know how to use dollar sign. For instance, friends, we will be first covering what is relative reference where no dollar sign is being used in a formula. Any formula you use, you can either use dollar sign or you may use dollar sign depending on the need and requirement. So here is our data where employee is going to get their salary as well as bonus depending on their performance. So let's get the value of the bonus first. We will be using this equal to G6 times means multiply with H6 enter and you get 2% of 40,000 is 800 and we will drag this down until here we have not used any dollar sign, so now again we will be using relative reference only equal to 40,000 plus 800. You will see we get the total value and we will drag it down. Now friends, your management has thought that the employee has done a good work this year, so they will be getting flat bonus of that is being represented in M4 cell. So here we'll be using our absolute reference, which is the second option right now. So how to use this? Let's go for it. Equal to this plus this M4 figure, which is 2500. This is the fixed figure which is being provided to all the employees. So now what we have to do is you can click either in between or you can click in front of M or after 4. Then you have to press F4. In case you don't get the dollar sign, depend if you are clicking on F4, then you have to press Fn button, which is available in your keyboard on the left bottom side. Press Fn, then press F4. You will get a dollar sign. So here you can see dollar sign has come up in front of M as well as in front of the 4. So this is the absolute reference where we have fixed one cell so that when it comes down to another cell, the value will change with by adding 2500 to each employee. So now we will drag it down and you can see in E employee K10 cell we have seen, if clicking over here, that J10, which is the total value of the salary plus 2500 flat bonus extra being provided by the management. So that's how we will be using the dollar sign for absolute reference where we have fixed one cell value which is going to be required in either column wise or either row wise. Now friends, a last option is what is mixed reference. So here we have data where the product quantity is being provided over here in rows and price here in column wise. So first we will follow multiplication here. So here we go, equal to sign, and our first cell is G14. So now we will press F4. Either you can press Fn plus F4 and you get dollar sign. It means this dollar sign in front and afterwards has fixed this cell. When it comes down, the value will remain same 200. But what if we press F and F4 again or F4 again? Here you can see the dollar sign has come in front of 14. It means if I go towards row on the right side here to here, then this 200 will fixed for the row, And if again I press F4 or Fn plus F4, you can see here now dollar sign has come in front of G. It means this column is now locked, and once I get down, my value will change in this column by getting answer in this column. So let's see it how we get our answer by with H13. So now we have a row here. So we press F4 again, Fn plus F4, again press F4, and this time the row is locked. So what we have done so far, we have locked this column and we have locked this row. You can see here if dollar sign comes in front of number, it means the row is being locked, this whole row. If dollar sign comes in front of G, then the whole column is being locked. So now we press enter, and you can see here if I drag it to the right side in row, I get the value of multiplication, and once I get a data in row, I can drag it down as per column wise, and in an instant I get the data. If I click here in H19, you can see here that the column is being logged G19 and the row is being logged H$13. Now let's go for the addition here. How we can do this, we can click here and we can press the F4 and we will lock the column, and now we press again F4 and you can see here now I have locked the row. You can see here now I have get the addition as well, and drag it down, I get the whole answer. Similarly here my column is being locked and my row is being locked. Now we'll do division. If this and we lock the column, divide by this value and we lock the row, then we get this answer. And if I drag it towards here and then drag it down, I get the answer. In subtraction, we will do this. We have to press F4, again press F4 and press F4 again, and minus this, and we have to press F4 until we get the row locked. And still you can see here we can get the answer very easily by locking references with mixed references. Now friends, what happens when you have to use absolute and mixed reference together? So that's a very simple way. Again, we will do it over here in M6 equal to this is a column and we would like to lock this column. So we press F4 until we get the column locked, and then we plus this fixed value and press F4 to get the cell locked, and then press enter, and you can see here we have got the answer because we added 2500 in this value and we get the answer here. So friends, you can see here I have pasted the image here, and you can check here that what happens where you press dollar sign with F4 key or Fn plus F4 key. The row and column are fixed, means locked. If we get dollar in front of one, we get the row fixed, means locked. If we get dollar in front of alphabet, we get the column fixed, means locked. And if we use relative where no dollar sign is being used, it means neither row or column is fixed. So I hope friends you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe Explore YouTube channel so I can bring up more videos for you. Thank you for watching Explore YouTube channel.